Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2006 Honda Accord V6. Now I already got started, but I'll show you what I did so far. So basically I took off the passenger side drive, front wheel drive, the passenger front wheel, to get to the oil filter. Now I'd already taken it off and you see it there in the pan there, but if it's right there, so you'll see it. I had to use one of these bad boys here to get it off, but you know, it was really easy. I just couldn't get it with my hands. Alright, so it has kind of stopped dripping. You see it's a little bit in there, and most of it's in the can there. Now I'm going to put on the new filter now that that has kind of dripped out. This is the filter I use, STP, good stuff. Alright, now let me switch. Now you can kind of see right there. I don't know if I can hold it and do it at the same time, but let's see. Oh. First things first, might want to put a little oil around the ring of this thing here. So what my dad used to tell me to do is just to kind of dip it in the old, just to get it wet. All right. All right. Kind of see where that goes. Get under here and tighten it up. There we go. You want to tighten it, but not too tight, just hand tight. All right, filter is now changed. All right, for my bolt that's going to drain the oil, same spot, it's right position. Right there. And for my bolt, I have to use 11 by 16, but unfortunately I can't find my adapter, so I'm going to have to use a power drill. Alright, we're just at a little drip right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the oil cap back on. Alright, once you got your wheel back on and tightened up, you can go ahead and put some oil in your engine because it is going to be all dry. See, the top is off there where you see the funnel, and that's where we're going to pour our oil. Alright. And since we replaced the filter, we're going to want to put 6 quarts in here. So this is just a 5-quart container. what I always like to do is just double check. Make sure everything's tight under there. See anything leaking there? Nothing's leaking. It's all dry. Good to go. Alright, my friends. That's how you change the oil on the 2006 Honda Accord. Thanks.